Hi guys, and welcome to yet another very exciting Adobe Illustrator tutorial. And in this tutorial I'm going to tell you how to save swatches as group and exchange them between different applications of Adobe Creative Cloud. If you are working in Adobe Creative Cloud, then the exchange of different files and different files groups become very important and something that you must know, especially between Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. And sometime when you are working on a project that for some modification you have to bring forth you have to take it to Photoshop, then bring it back to Adobe Illustrator or After Effects or any other application. It is a very easy and handy thing that if you can also take their colors or the group of swatches or colors that you used on your project to that application. For example, the color that I have used on this application, of course this is a very terrible uh, you know drawing illustration project. Of course nobody would want it, but if I want to take this to Adobe Photoshop for certain work, it would be a very handy thing if I know all the color groups and which color that I have used and everything, you know because it would be a very terrible idea to coming back here and learning about every color code in their groups in here and then taking them here. The easiest way is to learn or make a group of these swatches or the colors that I've used in this project, save them as a group, and then as a reference take them to Photoshop. And then there I have the option of seeing them and choosing or modifying these groups, because I would already have all the information at hand that I need. So to make a swatches color group, I have already told you how to make other groups in for Adobe Illustrator. To make swatches color group, go to swatches panel. If it is not, make sure that you are on essential workspace. Then this fly up menu opens up. As you can see, this group is here, the colors, or for example any color that you want to save, you can save it from. One thing to be aware of, you cannot save gradients and tints or color patterns into your swatches group. To save them, you have to go to this fly up menu by clicking on these four horizontal lines, and then you can come here and click on this option. But before doing that, if you just want to isolate the colors that you have used in here or the swatches that you have used, for example, let me use this color here and use this color here and use this one here. Okay, now if I just want to select these colors and don't want to bring the other colors, so click here and click on this option which says select all unused, and then it's going to select all the other unused swatches from here, and then you can click on the delete button and it's going to delete, and it's only going to let those colors in here which you have just selected or used in your pattern. The black and white is of course the background and the stroke lines and the three colors that you use. Now if you want to save these, come here and go to this option which says save swatch library as ASE, which means Adobe Swatch Exchange. When you click it, it's gonna tell you where you want to save it. It saves it into Adobe swatches folder. Untitled is okay. I don't want to give it any name, it's just an example. Okay, because I already have a file, it's warning me that I want to overwrite it. Of course I want to overwrite it. Then it gives you another warning which says that swatches containing gradients, patterns, and tints are not currently exchangeable. The gradients cannot be exchanged between Photoshop and Illustrator, so that's okay. You click on it, so they are saved in there. Now, if you want to load an exchange or a file of swatches or groups that you already made in, for example, in Photoshop, and you want to bring it to Adobe Illustrator, then you have to go to this icon in the panel, which I have shown you in so many other panels, that it opens more options and stuff for you guys, because it contains libraries of other patterns. It opens the swatches library, and leave all these panels and come to this last option which says other library. When you click it, then go to the place where you have saved your Adobe swatches. For example, in the swatches panel we had saved actually where it is. Okay, let me go back a little. This is not here. Okay, I think it will be here. Okay, I'm a little bit lost in here, but where I put my stuff. Okay, this is okay. Do you know ever the feeling when you lose something and don't know where it is? Well, that's what has happened. I just forgot where I saved the file. Now I cannot find it. It's supposed to be in the swatches. I thought I saved it in the swatches panel folder, but anyhow, it should look like something like this. Okay, these are swatches groups and others. This is, for example, metal swatches group. Let me open it. As you can see, once you load it, it opens like this, independent other folder like this, and it contains all these files which are related to metal colors and stuff. You can use them from here like this, or you can just make a new group in here in your swatch panel, and then you can copy these colors like so, and then drag them into that group like this, and then you do not need to use this panel. Of course, I did not copy all the colors, but you see the part that how you can use them. So that's how you can exchange swatches groups between different applications of Adobe, and how to load them once you created them in Photoshop or any other application. So with that said, I hope you enjoy this tutorial. I take my leave from you guys and hope to see you in the next tutorial.